Well, here we are at sandblasting. So, next stop will be coating all this and we'll be good to go.
What's up? Backyard builds. It's right here. Right here. Bike's back from sandblasting. It is semi-pretty. So we also got some goodies here from Dime City Cycles. Got shortened harness, gets rid of the starter, slims down, you know, with all the bulky wires laying around. Got brake cables, clutch cables, throttle cables, some hardware for the engine. Good stuff. Also, a ton of stickers. If you gander that way, Jesse.
So, set up. Oh yeah.
It hooked us up real good. And if you want quality motorcycle parts at a good price, you should hit these guys up. They are fast, efficient, and cheap. And it's quality parts, as I said. Anyway, so there's gonna be work coming up on this thing. Gonna be finishing up the suspension, trimming the frame. It's gonna start moving along.
Wait, so you're cutting the sides off of it?
Yeah, because I'm gonna notch this. I'm gonna notch this to go on a piece of pipe. I don't want the bottom on it.
Gotcha.
I'm now gonna switch to the hand grinder. This is better for thinner material. What's up? Didn't see you there. I did. Brandon's holding you. That was terrible. In action. I'm just working on Hank a bit here while Jesse over there is swapping his chain. And yeah, so we made it a quick roller off camera. We just threw on a rear wheel, loosely on, and threw on the old forks so we wouldn't scuff up the already scuffed Jigsaw 1000 forks. And I'm just messing with some small things to get some ideas. Again, this is first mock-up of this kind of thing. This might get redone. Welds aren't the best, but they can be cleaned up and it's gonna get powder coated anyways, but we'll see. So right now it's just tack welded together mainly. I'm just working on this part here. I pretty much took one of these. You pin on here, this little piece, I don't know, got them off Dime City. And I cut them down so they're just little tabs because I want to notch them so they fit nicely on here. I'm just hoping they're not too short because I took a fair amount off them. But I want to notch them, and then the shock, well, as you can see, get something like this. And then there will be another one going from here to here. There will be one of these down here, and going up to this. So this will be free moving. And connect to that, so this will get cut off. Right here, we'll weld a plate in here to reinforce it, and this will get one of these as well, and then the shock will connect here to here, and that'll be first gen of, if it looks okay, we'll keep it. If we need to redo some parts of it, at least we have something to go off of. Then these will get trimmed down once we figure out our seat, and then we might do supports up to the seat off this. So yeah, that is it. That's where I'm at right now, this moment. Yeah, I'm sure.
Study break.
I'm just looking at options. Yeah, saying it again and again. Yeah. Nine and a quarter. Hold this right here. Right there, got it. Most of these bikes that have monoshock have a support coming from the center up. So if you look here, they'll have one coming from here. I've yet to see it, maybe one other bike that has side supports, but the person I'm building this for wants side supports because they like the design better. We're just trying to shape this because we're getting rid of the shock mounting, of course. The shock's on there, you guys know that. We're gonna try and make it match the other side. Feel it. It's cold. Sometimes it gets frosty. And the air coming out of there literally would be like freezing. And you look similar enough that you won't ever think about it on the tire on the side. Quick update. I don't know what you see in the previous video. I know you've seen us remove the engine. You've probably seen some clips of this thing. We redid the rear hood, so it's actually a decent bend. I messed with the bender for a while to get a bend. We want a different style of support. Before, almost every bike you see has one on the front. This one's gonna have two on either side. My dad, whose bike's gonna be four, a mix between him and mine, he just liked the idea of having a massive bend of the tire. So that's what we did there. I'm gonna try and get you a picture of what the seats are gonna look like. They're gonna be made by somebody else because we don't have a bender that can do 180 degrees. If you come around to this side, the seats will slide into these two pipes, and they will have locking pins that come through, as well as a support that comes in the seat rests on the support. Because it's gonna have two seats, it's gonna have a one-person seat, it's gonna be a lot shorter, and then it's gonna have a longer seat as a seat for a second person. And they're being made out of some heavier duty pipes so that they won't flex. And then it'll have a plug that when you slide in the seat, the brake light will auto plug in to the bike, so you don't have to mess with wiring. So yeah, that's a small update for you. I'm going to be welding these up. These are just tacked in, and things of that nature. I'm sure you've seen a little fab so far in this video. That's what we're doing.